Have you been feeling tired lately? Forgetful? Or mentally exhausted all the time? Do you feel like your brain is not as sharp as it used to be? What if I told you that chronic stress is slowly damaging your brain without you even realizing it? In this video, you will learn 3 things. First, what stress is really doing to your brain. Second, how it affects your memory, focus, and emotions. And third, how you can fix this damage naturally. Stress is a normal part of life, but there is a big difference between short-term stress and chronic stress. Short-term stress can help you react and survive. But chronic stress, the kind that lasts for weeks, months, or even years, can silently damage your brain and your body. Today, we will explain this in a simple and clear way. No fear, no exaggeration, just science and practical solutions. Let's talk about what happens in your brain when you're stressed. When you feel stressed, your brain releases a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol is not bad. In small amounts, it helps you stay alert and focused. But when stress becomes constant, cortisol stays high all the time. And that is where the problem starts. High cortisol levels can shrink the part of your brain responsible for memory. This part is called the hippocampus. Can weaken your ability to focus and learn. It can make your brain more sensitive to fear and anxiety. And it can reduce your emotional control. Over time, your brain literally becomes more anxious, more tired, and less sharp. Now let's talk about the signs. Chronic stress does not always look dramatic. Sometimes it shows up as forgetting simple things, feeling mentally tired even after sleeping, trouble concentrating, overthinking everything, feeling emotionally numb or easily irritated, losing motivation, brain fog, feeling overwhelmed by small problems. Many people think this is just normal life. But in reality, this is a stressed brain asking for help. If chronic stress continues for a long time, it can cause deeper problems. It can increase the risk of anxiety disorders. Can increase the risk of depression. It can weaken your immune system. Can speed up brain aging. And it can increase the risk of memory problems later in life. Stress does not just affect your mood. It changes your brain structure and your brain chemistry. But here is the good news. Your brain is flexible. And your brain can heal. Now let's talk about how to fix the damage and protect your brain. First, deep breathing and relaxation. Slow breathing tells your nervous system that you are safe. Even 5 minutes a day can lower stress hormones. Second, physical movement. Walking, stretching, or light exercise reduces stress chemicals and increases brain protecting chemicals. Third, better sleep. Your brain repairs itself during sleep. Poor sleep means more stress damage. Fourth, limit overstimulation. Too much news, too much social media, and too much screen time keep your brain in stress mode. Fifth, write your thoughts down. This helps your brain stop repeating the same worries again and again. Sixth, create small calm routines. Your brain loves routine. Calm habits teach your brain that it is safe to relax. Here is the most important thing to remember. Stress is not a weakness. It is a biological response. Your brain is not broken. It is overloaded. And overloaded systems can recover when treated gently and consistently. Small daily habits can literally reshape your brain. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mendly for more calm and science-based mental health videos. Your brain works hard for you every day. Take care of it. You deserve peace.